In this video, I'm going to address a question I got asked a lot, and that is, can a small B2B business have a successful webinar? Hey, what's up marketers? Eduard Dziak here from B2B digitalmarketers.com, and I got asked a lot of questions about B2B digital marketing, especially now during the COVID-19 and post-COVID-19 situation. And this is one of them. Can actually small business have a successful webinar? And if so, what are usually the reasons why they did not succeed? Many small businesses were relying on live events as a steady lead generation strategy, but unfortunately ever since COVID-19 they had to move to the digital space. For example, they have to try a webinar, but unfortunately not many of them have succeeded. Therefore, let me give you the 3 main reasons why small businesses do not succeed with virtual event, because if it's done right, it can generate up to 1000 leads for your business. The reason number 1 why small businesses fail with webinar is because they do not have enough influence. You need to have enough influence, whether it's on social media such as LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, or on your blog or any other platform. The reason why, if you want to conduct a webinar, you need to make sure you create enough buzz around it so other people can see that actually a lot of people are interested in it. If they see the shares, if they see the likes, if they see the comments, they will see it as interesting, as people actually sign up for it, and obviously there are some values they can get out of that. So if you create enough buzz around it, people will see the social proof. This social proof will actually help you to also showcase your credibility and your expertise. So if somebody who never met your brand, they will see that there is some kind of value for them. They can learn something, as they will see these likes, they will see the comments, they will see the shares. So therefore, this social proof will help you to get more people sign up, even the people who actually never met your brand. But don't worry, if you do not have enough influence, as you can partner up with the bigger brands and get the influence. Actually, not just help you to get the influence, but also people are more likely to sign up for webinar where there are more than 2 brands, as they can see more valuable and they can learn more things. Alright, so the second reason is the time and day when you are organizing your event or your live event, as this is very important to pay attention, as this actually can ruin the whole session, the whole webinar, if you do not choose the right date. So for me, what I usually do, I make sure that there are no any big events happening nearby or at the day. And also I make sure that there are no any upcoming public holidays nearby, as it could be quite difficult to get sign-ups and get actually people to attend your webinar. So yeah, usually I make sure this is not happening, and for the days I usually choose Tuesday or Thursday from 10 a.m. until 12 to 1 p.m. as this is usually give me the best result, but again it depends on your industry or who you're targeting. So of course this depends, so you need to do some testing, you need to see what works for you, but this is usually my best time. Alright, and the third reason and the last reason is they did not promote it hard enough. As Jay said, content is fire and social media is gasoline. Running a successful webinar always comes down to the successful promotion, and there are many ways how you can promote it. Like I said, on the social media, on your blog, on your website, on the partner website. Also there are websites specifically for events such as Eventbrite, where you can for free you can put your event and people can sign up for it and you don't have to pay anything for it. So yes, there are many other ways. Also, you can use, if you are already using, let's say, Google advertising, you can utilize that as well, so you get more leads coming to your webinar. Therefore, make sure you really spread the message. Nowadays, unfortunately, it's not the best content who is winning, but the best promoted. And that also applies for your webinar. So for me, what I usually do, I promote it on LinkedIn, I promote it on the Google advertising, on my blog, I promote it also on the website, and also you can use, and that's a great way to use Google My Business. You can post updates and also you can post the event. So make sure you are using this one as well. Yes, running a successful online event is not that easy as many marketers actually thought it is, but it is a great way to drive a lead for your business, especially now during the COVID-19 situation. That is all from me. Thank you for watching. Please share and like this video if you like it, and comment below what's your #1 strategy to conduct a successful webinar. Bye.